See, I don't call myself a rapper, cause most of you niggas garbage. I'm an artist, fuck the shit you talking. Niggas all sound retarded, who's the hardest? Does it even matter? Cause when I get loose, you niggas get tight. Look at your face, it'll be alright, just drop that mic. Way iller than niggas talking that real shit. The more you say it, the more I'm thinking you niggas ain't really gon' kill shit. You niggas make believe, I make them believe, cause I don't feel the need to be respected by niggas who don't respect this. My fans love me cause they can relate. I'd rather have it that way than to be what I'm not, to be considered great. You hate me cause I'm always speaking the facts. And fuck a rat race for the cheese, cause I own bees in the trap. I'm in my own lane, you probably want the bees where I'm at. I do my own thing, handle biz, word to the bees on my hat. I'm coming to kill careers, the worst of some of y'all fears. All that bullshit that you talking about, I'm taking it out this year. See, I gotta stand for something, even if it means I'll never see the industry. My soul just mean that much to me. My goal is not for luxury. I got a son and he look up to me, and I'll be damned to be another nigga puppet on the string. All you new rappers suck to me. If the box is where you wanna be, you got it, plus a lot of company. Fuck the money, the guns, the bitches, the drugs, the violence, the cars, the jewels. Let's give it a moment of silence. Rest in peace to that whack shit. Keep treating me like I'm new to the scene until I release the beast and feast on niggas like Rudy Eugene. You mean to tell me that you got 100,000 downloads? Is that so? Well, tell me why nobody come to your show. That shit don't add up. I'm hearing you niggas is ballers, so why you hammer your mixtape with your name and permanent marker?